Mastering apostrophe usage in formal writing. Hello there, dear learners. Today, we are going to delve into the world of apostrophes and their application in formal writing. The tiny little punctuation mark that causes big headaches. It might seem small and insignificant, but it holds great power when it comes to shaping the meaning of your sentences. So, let's conquer the mystery of the apostrophe together. Apostrophes serve two main purposes in English writing: to indicate possession and to form contractions. For example, John's book uses an apostrophe to show the book belongs to John, indicating possession. Meanwhile, its is a contraction of it is or it has. However, in formal writing, we often avoid contractions to maintain a more serious and professional tone. So, instead of writing its, we would write it is or it has. When it comes to showing possession in formal writing, the rules remain the same. If the noun is singular or a plural noun not ending in s, we add s to the end. For example, the cat's toy, one cat. The children's playground, more than one child. But if it's a plural noun ending in s, we simply add an apostrophe at the end. Like so, the cat's toys, more than one cat. The boss's orders, more than one boss. Remember, when a name ends in s, it's usually accepted in formal writing to use either s or just an apostrophe. So, both James's book and James's book would be correct. In formal writing, context is everything. When an apostrophe can be used for both contraction and possession, we need to ensure we're not creating any ambiguity. Consider this sentence: she'll study for the exam. In a casual or informal setting, this sentence clearly means she will study for the exam. But in formal writing, without the contraction, this sentence could be mistaken as a possessive expression, something belonging to she'll. That's why it's essential to always write in full form when dealing with formal writing, to avoid any misunderstanding. And that's a wrap. We've looked at the do's and don'ts of apostrophe usage in formal writing. Remember, while contractions are best avoided, the rules of possessive apostrophes remain consistent. Context is crucial to avoid any confusion. I hope this video has demystified the art of using apostrophes in formal writing. Keep practicing and you'll be a master in no time. Thank you for watching and happy learning.